by, I might give them some. Look at him looking. He knows what we're doing. Look. Oh, you even know where it is, don't you, buddy?
Oh, poor guy.
Except I think he eats the cat food, so I don't feel too sorry for him. He doesn't look like he's going hungry to me. The cats
Hello, big guy.
do.
Just had to record. Oh, big monster in the window. He scared me the other night. It was like, I don't know, 1 in the morning. And this white blur goes by.
Oh, dear.
It's a huge blur.
Hi. Wow. You want some chickens? Sorry, bud. Oh, Cassie, yeah, you're all stepped on, sweet pea. If you're not careful, you'll get stepped on. Well, he knows too, doesn't he?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's Oscar. It's barking. Hi, Oscar.
Where's the other doggy?
He's right behind me.
Oh, don't open them.
Hi, Oscar. Hi, Oscar. He's so dark you can't see him this time of night.
Oh.
Hi, guys.
Whoa! Knock you back. Oh, you're good dogs. Who's a good dog?
Who's a good dog? Who's a good dog? Oh, I might bring you some in a minute. But we're going to eat first.
Oh,
Okay,
we'll get you some.
Get her getting in the window. What are they doing in the window? What are those guys doing in the window, huh? What are they doing in the window?
Go get 'em. Go check it out. Yeah. You're no fraidy cat. Let me get. I can't see.
Yeah, but she won't get up in the window if those were.
Oh.
Should I open the window or do you like it shut?